Go inside to see all the people in here and what they have. So, do you have any informations to give them?
Which kind of questions gonna be like about?
Thank you. As you see, they're like giving us some sweets.
Maybe later on.
Yeah, of course, of course. So he has customers, so he's busy right now. Full of colorful spice tales. Mess this.
Sure.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Anytime.
Thank you for your time.
You can speak any language.
Thank you. The most beautiful thing in here is the colors. Thank you so much. Thank
I
you.
can add something.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah,
of
for
course.
sure. Now we are away.
That they're closing, so we don't have luck.
Say.
No,
No
you can't.
English?
No English.
Okay, speak French. Okay.
A magical world of history and spices. The Spice Bazaar is one of the most. You'll feel like you're walking through history while enjoying, and as you see, people are speaking every language you speak. The aroma as you walk through it's absolutely captivating. So we're heated out right now.
Say it again.
We're gonna places to visit in Turkey, right?
Yes, yes. Visit Turkey.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Take photos. I mean, you need your wits about you to buy anything here, though. The Egyptian Bazaar is in Istanbul is also known as the. So as you see, they're closing. We're already so late. Easy to explore with plenty of places nearby to enjoy a coffee or meal after your visit. So as we see, we came to the Mr. Çarşı and we're gonna explore it and go inside to see all the people in here and what they have for the like the food and everything. Let's go.
Para varsa çeyrek yapacaksan yapalım. Çeyrek göz yapalım. Düğün var ha.
Oldu değil mi? A magical world of history and spices. The Spice Bazaar is one of the most fascinating and historical places in Istanbul. With its colorful spice stalls, the smell of dried fruits, Turkish delights, herbal teas, and handmade crafts, it's a feast for all your senses. You'll feel like you're walking through history while enjoying a unique shopping experience. The vendors are usually very friendly and helpful, making it especially appealing to tourists. Whether you want to experience the cultural richness or find special gifts for your loved ones, the Spice Bazaar is a must visit. Added it to your itinerary when exploring the Eminönü area. It's a true Istanbul classic. Spice Bazaar is one of the most fascinating and historical spots in Istanbul, full of colorful spice tales. Frozen dried fruits and Turkish delights. Herbal teas and handcrafted products. The moment you enter, both your eyes and nose are a feast. With its historical atmosphere, you can experience the pleasure of shopping while taking a journey into the past. The shopkeepers are generally friendly and helpful. It is a very interesting place, especially for tourists. And it is definitely worth a visit to experience both the cultural richness and to buy beautiful gifts for your loved ones, like your family, your wife, your husband. And be sure to add it to your route while walking around Eminönü, an Istanbul classic for both locals and foreigners. A unique bazaar where history and culture and flavor come together. The Egyptian Bazaar in Istanbul is also known as the Spice Bazaar. Is a vibrant and sensory-rich experience that shouldn't be missed. Located in the heart of the city, it's a lively marketplace filled with colorful displays of spices, dried fruits, teas, sweets, and souvenirs. The aroma as you walk through it is absolutely captivating. Intoxicating mix of exotic spices and freshly roasted nuts. The atmosphere is energetic yet welcoming with friendly vendors offering samples and sharing the stories behind their products. Whether you're shopping for unique gifts, tasting Turkish delights, or simply soaking in the local culture, there's something for everyone. It is also well organized and easy to explore with plenty of places nearby to enjoy a coffee or meal after your visit. A true Istanbul gem that combines history, flavor, and culture in one place. It's really beautiful. You speak English?
A little bit.
A little bit. So we're like taking a video of the Çarşı Pazar. We're giving tourists to come to this place. So do you have any informations to give them?
Which kind of questions gonna be? Like about the bazaar, about
Yeah, like
people?
generally, in general, like the Mısır Çarşı.
Oh, you mean this bazaar?
Uh-huh.
Well,
What do you recommend people? Like, should they come visit or not?
Yeah, sure.
Of course.
Yeah. It's touristic. You're started?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
So as you see, there's a lot of tourists in here, like Arab people,
Actually, but
English people.
yeah,
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I can add something.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Of
for
course.
sure. Now we are away. Let's say 4 minutes, and
Uh-huh.
everything here will be closed. So
Oh.
it's so late. You might come in the middle of the day.
So
It's gonna be
which-
better. Too much people.
So he says like it's gonna close earlier. At which time it closes?
We open from 8 till 7:30.
So we come late actually. So I recommend everyone to come early so they can like explore this beautiful place.
Exactly. Actually, this kind of places has too many options
Uh-huh.
that you can, for example, go and eat at the front door. There,
Yeah.
there is a restaurant.
Uh-huh.
Otherwise, a lot of spices, a lot of tea,
Yes,
You can
we
find
saw
silver,
that, and also
gold,
people's cheerful.
natural
Thank you.
stones. You came from
Morocco.
Moroccan?
You?
can speak that in Arabic if you want to.
Yeah, we speak Arabic, but we prefer to speak English so
Sure.
that people
No
can
worries.
understand.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much.
So,
Thank you
where
for
can
your
I
time.
find these?
Yeah, right.
Really, I'd like to see where to find it.
What? Like the
video,
account?
YouTube view?
Yeah, we're like in a YouTube account for like travel. We're giving people
Advices?
advices
That
to
is
come
good.
to visit Turkey.
What's the name of that
Uh,
YouTube channel?
Yeah,
Can I?
yeah, of course.
Yep.
He's asking for a YouTube channel.
Visit Turkey. Sorry. Say it
We're,
again.
we're gonna places to visit in Turkey, right?
Visit Turkey.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Places to visit.
Turkey.
To
Okay, so before it closed, we're gonna just like
Yeah, you got 3
explore in
minutes.
here.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Have a
Anytime.
good day.
If you need
Thank
any
you
help,
for your
we're here.
time.
You can speak any language you want.
Thank you. It's a great place, and also as you see, people are speaking every language you speak. Thank you. As you see, they're like giving us some sweets. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's really delicious. Wow. It's a great place to wander and take photos. I mean, you need your wits about you to buy anything here, though. So many items in price, with handling expected. A starting price is high to cover stocks held at slow rate or sales for many. That said, there are several high-quality gossaments as well as the pile of high merchants. They just offered a sweet for us. It's really good.
Another. Don't give it to me.
It's really beautiful. You can literally find all the sweets and Turkish delights in here. The most beautiful thing in here is the colors. But fortunately we came late, so they're gonna close. So I recommend everyone to come early so you cannot miss this. Merhaba. Do you speak English? So we're doing a video to recommend tourists to come to this place.
Okay.
Can you say something to the tourists? We're having a video right now.
Now I have customers. Maybe later on.
Yeah, of course,
Okay.
of course. So he has customers, so he's busy right now. As I said, you should come earlier. Thank you so much. They're offering us also sweets everywhere. Thank you so much.
Bon appetit.
Thank you, merci. They're speaking French too.
Hello, Angelina. Turkish life.
Guys, I'm full. They literally gave us a lot of sweets just by walking in here. This is really good. They're really cheerful. Hi. They gave us a lot of sweets actually. Thank you. You speak English?
Yes.
So like as I said, we're doing a video to the tourists to recommend them to come to this chashi. Okay. Do you speak Arabic? No? Okay, thank you. So as you see, they're closing. We're already so late. So I had come earlier. So we're heated out right now. There's a lot of tourists in here.
Evet gençler. Merhaba, hoş geldiniz. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Where are you from?
Do you speak English?
I speak English a little bit.
So we're doing a video right now. So to recommend the tourists to come to this place, do you have something to say?
He can say.
No,
No
you can't.
English?
No English.
Okay, speak French. Okay.
Just fish. You speak French?
He speak French.
Tu parles français? Ah, on va faire un petit, on fait une vidéo pour les touristes. Tu peux.
On va fermer, on est fatigué. On a commencé très tôt le matin.
Ah, d'accord.
Bon,
Ah, d'accord, je comprends. Merci.
derrière.
So he's speaking French right now. He's saying that they're closing, so we don't have luck. Should come earlier next time. And we're heated out. I wish we don't, but we don't have time.
Evet geldik. İyi yapmış. Favori güzel.
That was not good. Abi